Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see hidden likes on your Instagram post. So what you have to do, you have to just open your Instagram here, right? And if you want to see the hidden likes, you have to go to the bottom right side corner, that is your profile icon here. On the top right you will see the three horizontal lines. Go in there and basically here you will see an option which is called your activity. Now here go to the likes section here, and once you go to the like section you have to select that whether you want to, this is a filter basically. And for example, I want to see the hidden likes of this post which I have liked earlier, so you can see that you can just unlike and like this, right? So this is how you can see the likes and everything. If you want to see likes on different posts, you can see and basically you can like or unlike that post, right? But if you want to see the hidden likes, basically that's not possible to see on a different post. You can see it only in your post, but in today's case it is even not that possible too, because Instagram respect the privacy of each and every user. So it's not allowed, neither you can just get any way or any way to just find the hidden likes on any of the posts, right? So this is actually the exact truth. I hope you found this video very informative. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.